Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tawala. Welcome back. It's been a while, but I have a lot of things going on right now, so I'm just about to head out, and I was like, well, let me do a quick video on this here. I am doing probably a year review video because it's been over a year actually. I bought it around Valentine's Day last year, so around February 1st, around that, and so it's like a year and if in like a week old or something. So this here is from AliPearl. I did a video on this here, my initial video when I was cutting off the lace. It's actually on my YouTube channel as well. Go check it out. So you can see what it looks like when I first bought the hair, but now it's a year old, but it still looks really good. I think my review for today is that as time goes by, this hair sheds. I've noticed that this couple of days because now I'm wearing it more now that it's looser. I didn't have time for it before. It was more maintenance before, even though it's water wave hair. But yeah, it's and sorry that I didn't go over the hair this hair because I already did that in my first video, so you guys have to go check out my first video to get all the details, but I'll also put the details in this video as well in the description below, so check it out. But it's AliPearl hair, the water wave texture. So the hair sheds a lot now. I literally like wearing it dry. I don't necessarily like it too wet. But yeah, so today I just wet it a little bit because I wore it all last week, and every time I will rub my hands through it, I will get shedding. Y'all see this? You see this, like how much that just came out to just running my hands through it? Like I don't understand. But yeah, the hair is not too expensive, so I guess I'm getting what I paid for. I remember when I bought the hair, it was like around 200, around that. I know it wasn't over the 200 because it was the package of 3 bundles in the Frontal that I got, but the hair is still great. Definitely love the texture still. I actually like it now that it's even older. Like I brush it out just to give it that a little bit more body and like that poof. So I really like it. I don't mind brushing it out because I want it to get poofy. I just wet it, so it's gonna get dry when I get outside, and I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm in Texas and it's hot right now. The sun is out, which is crazy, but then later on tonight it's gonna get cold, so which is fine. I'm not changing, but yeah, so this is the hair. I just brushed it out and this is what it looks like. I still love the texture. I colored the hair myself and I made the wig myself. I did not buy the wig from them. But if you have this hair or you're thinking about buying this hair, it does last as long as you make sure you are conditioning the hair at least once in a week, like co-washing it with conditioner once in a week, and you are actually shampooing and then conditioning and letting the hair dry every 2 weeks, because that was the way I maintained mine for over a year. And now I'm still loving the hair. Like I still like love it. I think I'm loving it even more now, but girl, the shedding. And the Frontal is not transparent, is their regular Frontal. I've literally did so many stuff to this Frontal. I didn't put any like glue or anything like that. I just kind of like used the got to be spray a little bit on the hair, the baby hair, just to have it laid because I don't want to glue it. I come home when I take off my wig, so I don't have time for all of that. I just kind of needed something to cover the lace that was showing, so I didn't really do that much stuff to it really when it comes to laying it down. So if y'all care about stuff like that, that wasn't the main goal of this video. The main thing that I wanted to come and do really quick is just to review this hair, the Water Wave AliPearl hair. And literally a year, so we're doing an anniversary right now. It's a nice anniversary. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. This is gonna be my shortest video ever. I don't even think I need to edit. Hey. But yeah, subscribe. I actually have another video coming out this weekend that I'm doing also for the Yaki straight hair that I got, the wig that I made a video on as well. I'm doing the update on that. I think it's about like 8-9 months now since I've had the hair, and that hair is still pretty great, and you guys will see what I did to it because I kind of cut it a little bit. And I'll let you know what I've gone through with that hair. But yeah, so this one definitely condition, and hair dry and wash at least twice in a month. It's very necessary. If it gets tangled, just use regular brush like this or the Deming brush and use that to like detangle it, and maybe spray with a little bit of water. Like, you don't have to get it too wet, but just a little bit of water so you're not getting too much of the shedding. But that's it. Like, it just works for me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye. So I knock I'm unlimited. Time no day.